Hello friends, this is problem number 8 for right circular cone. Problem is find the equation of the cone which passes through 2 minus 2 1. That means this is the point on the cone. Okay, cone passes through this point, that means this point is lies on the cone. That means it will be point on generator line because generator is lies on the cone. Okay, with vertex at origin vertex, that means it is a 0 0 0 and axis parallel to. Equation of axis is not given, but the line is given which is parallel to x-axis, and we know that if two lines are parallel then their slopes are also equal and then its DRS are also equal, right? Here axis is parallel to this line, that means DRS of axis and DRS of this line are same. So what are the DRS of axis here? Actually this is not equation of axis, but this is the line which is parallel to axis of the cone. So 511 are the DRS for this line, and as this line is parallel to axis, therefore DRS of axis are also 511. Okay, so where to start again? This is the figure of right circular cone. This is center, radius r, right angle, semi-vertical angle theta. Vertex is given as origin, that means 0 0 0, right? This is the equation of axis. So I will write here from example. Vertex of the cone is origin. Actually it is denoted by O, but generally we are denoting it is by A. So A represents 0 0 0. This is the origin. Semi-vertical angle is not given here, that means theta is not given. So one extra condition is given, cone passing through this point, that means this point will be here on generator line. Okay, I will mention later it. And what final condition? Equation of axis is not given, but axis is parallel to which line? X minus 2 upon 5. This is equal to y minus 1 upon 1 equal to z plus 2 upon 1, right? So DRS of this line are 511 and axis is parallel to this line, so DRS of axis are also 511, because if two lines are parallel then their slopes are equal, DRS are also equal. So I will write here, therefore DRS of axis are, so what are the DRS now? 5 1 1, and denoting that DRS by A1 B1 C1. So what is A1 here? 5, B1 is 1, C1 is also 1. Okay, and we are short to the value of semi-vertical angle theta. So one more condition is given there. Equation of cone, cone is passing through this point, that means as cone passing through this point, that means this point must be lie on the equation of the cone. Okay, so first of all, generally we can take the point P X Y Z to find the generator. Let P represents X, Y, Z be any point on generator line AP. Okay, look at the figure. AP is generator for this cone, right? Therefore DRS of generator AP, so what are the DRS? X minus 0, Y minus 0, Z minus 0, that is x, y and z. So b2, a2 is x, b2 is y, and c2 is what? Z. These are the DRS of generator line. Now using the formula of equation of cone, cos of theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into another square root a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, so I will replace values only. As theta is not given, so I will keep as it is. Cos of theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon square root of a1 square plus a2 square, sorry, a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square. So check here, a1 into a2, that means 5 into x, b1 into b2 means 1 into y, c1 into c2 means y into z. Okay, a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, that means 5 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, and a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square means x square plus y square plus z square, right? Okay, therefore cos of theta is equal to, just multiplying, 5x plus 1 into y is y, 1 into z is z, second root will be as it is, x square plus y square plus z square. What about this? 5 square is 25, 1 square is 1, 25 plus 1 plus 1, 27. So it is square root of 27. So I will mention this as equation number 1. As semi-vertical angle theta is not given here, so one more condition in the problem. Cone is passing through which point? 2, minus 2, 1. So this will be point on the cone. Suppose this is the point 2, minus 2, 1. And other than A and P, I will take this point as Q. Okay. So remember now, as AP is generator line, Q is also on the generator line. That means AQ is also generator line, right? So instead of P, now we have to suppose Q is a point on generator line. And similar as AP, we have to find the DRS of generator AQ, right? DRS of A1, B1, C1, that means axes are same, no change. But DRS of generator now becoming change, A2, B2, C2, right? So to find DRS of generator line AQ now, we have to suppose Q is a point on axis as a generator line. Okay. So I will mention here now, let, or it is given in the problem actually from example. Two minus 2, 1 is a point on cone. As cone passes through this point, that means this point must be lie on the cone. Let, I will denote this point by Q. Q represents 2 minus 2, 1, be a point on generator line. Similar as AP. Now AQ is also generator line. Therefore, DRS of generator AQ, actually both are same. So DRS of generator AQ, how you can find this? You have to just subtract point of Q minus point of A now. Now suppose P is not given here. Instead of P, you have given Q now. Okay. So AP and AQ, both DRS are same. Okay. Generator are same. So DRS also equal. So AQ, how you can find generator? DRS for this generator now? 2 minus 0, minus 2 minus 0 and 1 minus 0. That means 2 minus 2 and 1. 2 minus 2 and 1. This point 2 minus 0, minus 2 minus 0 and 1 minus 0. And again this will be value for a2 b2 c2, 2 minus 2 1, right? Again cone is same, so semi vertical angle theta is again same. Using same equation, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into another root a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, so considering a1 b1 c1 same, that means DRS of axis. And now you have to take a2 b2 c2 as this point 2 minus 2 1. Okay, so a1 into a2, that means 5 into 2, b1 that is 1 into b2 is minus 2, c1 is 1 and c2 is what, 1, right? a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, 5 1 1, and a2 b2 c2 means 2 minus 2 and 1. Now solving this, therefore cos of theta is equal to 5 into 2 is 10 minus 2 plus 1 divided by this first square root will be same because DRS of axis are same. Here 2 square is 4, minus 2 square is 4 and 1 square is 1. 4 plus 1 is 9, so it is square root of 9, right? This is equal to 10 minus 2 is 8 plus 1, it is 9 upon square root of 27 into 9 square root is 3. So dividing, so it will be 3 divided by square root of 27. This is the value of cos of theta, equation number 2. Okay. Now as equation 1 and equation 2 both have same left hand side, because theta is same, because cone is same, so left hand side is again same. Left same, that means right side is also same. Right side of equation 1 is equal to right side of equation number 2. We have to compare both these two. Okay, so I will write from equation number 1 and 2. So right hand side of equation number 1, what is it? 5x plus y plus z upon root 27 into root x square plus y square plus z square. So it is 5x plus y plus z upon root 27 into root x square plus y square plus z square is equal to, this is right side of equation 1. Now what is right side of equation number 2? 3 upon root 27. 3 upon root 27. Now cancelling out this root 27 from both sides, 5x plus y plus z will be as it is. This is equal to 3 into root, this get multiplied at right hand side, x square plus y square plus z square, and just by avoiding square roots we have to square on both sides. By squaring on both the sides, therefore square of left hand side is equal to, what is left hand side? 5x plus y plus z, and square of right side is 3 square is 9. Square root get cancelled, so it will be inside bracket x square plus y square plus z square. This is the equation of required right circular cone. This is required equation of right circular cone. Got it? Okay.